Hey guys, Nuclear Diamond here. My name is Kaden, and today I'll be trying to attempt to fix this broken 3DS. It has a broken bottom screen, and so I got this for $120. Don't worry, it wasn't a ripoff. I got it with like a case, I got it with games and everything. But also, side note, there's a lot of noise in the background, so sorry about that. But yeah, as you can see, there's like a broken screen on the bottom, and hopefully this is a shorter video, just because this fix is one of the easiest fixes in all of mankind. So we have the replacement screen here, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but it looks like there's a little line, like kind of right there. You can kind of see that, but I really hope that doesn't mean that there's gonna be a crack in it. Oh, why did I turn that on? Because if it is, I am going to be a little mad. But I think what we have to do first, so we gotta take out the stylus, and I think it came with an SD card. Yep, take that out. So I think we need a Phillips head. So like I said, I haven't done a fix in a really long time. So it's been like a month. And I fixed a 2DS XL. That didn't go as well as I hoped. It had a broken top screen, but I kind of just broke it. I broke the very top of it, like the lid part of it, because there's like adhesive instead of screws. So it's said to be one of the toughest fixes that there is. I was sort of able to do it, and surprisingly it sold pretty fast. There we go. Okay, yeah, there wouldn't be cameras right here, but so we got that off, and that was kind of annoying. Take the battery out. Okay, I think everything's going well so far. And looks like the things are being the little Phillips heads are really small. So hopefully my screws are small enough. A good way I like to organize these is I'll put the screws like right underneath or in them, so they don't get lost and don't get mixed up. Anyway, so, can just pop this right off. Except, looks like there's some ribbon cables connecting this. So I was right, except it's not for the camera, it's for the shoulder buttons. Like I said, I haven't really taken any tutorials. Okay, it just pops off easy. So I think what you gotta do now, you gotta go under there. Of course you can't really see this, but kind of just disconnect it. And yeah, and just take that off. See these little ribbon cables connect right here. Those are for the LNR buttons. And this is actually my first time being into an actual 3DS. This is a 3DS XL, but I mean, hey, same thing, right? So it looks like everything's pretty normal. The water thing hasn't been triggered at all. So I can just start taking screws out. Okay, I think that's all the screws. Now I'm going to start unhooking a few ribbon cables. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take off this. There we go. These are the long screws for just to hold this down. So again, with most Nintendo products, either you like unhook it by like going to both sides and pushing it down, or you just flip it up and it releases just like that. Okay, so we got the motherboard right here, and we'll just put that right here. And now all we need to do is somehow lift the bottom screen up without damaging anything. Okay, is it gonna come out? Okay, I think it, yep, there we go. Alright, so we got that out. And now, I think I'm gonna clean up the digitizer on the inside, just so I don't get any marks. Clean that up with a microfiber cloth. Hopefully no fingerprints are still in there. Unlike the last time, this one is actually in pretty clean and pristine condition. So, I think it went in like this. Yeah. Hopefully just sits in there like that. Perfect. There we go. Nice and situated. Now, I think all we need to do is just plop this in. Alright, so when you put the circle pad in, you're going to want to make sure that the circle pad is in the middle, or else it'll just completely mess up the thing like I just did. So make sure it's in the middle and plop the thing in. And actually, I need to connect this first. Put that into place and open this up. Alright. Let's see. Okay, power's on. Okay. Alright. Hey! Look at that. It all works. Awesome. Now have ourselves a fully working 3DS XL. I'm going to put this in. I want to make sure that you get the little ribbon cables for the L and R buttons in. Don't leave them disconnected. There we go. That went in. And I'll close it up. Okay, got that close up. So I'll put all these screws in. Okay, put the battery in. There we go. Turn it on. Takes a little while for it to first boot up. There we go. It's working pretty well. 3D works. Volume works. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and this was a pretty fun one. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. The recording is already like, what, an hour long? This will probably turn out just to be like 10-minute video, maybe less. Just because I struggled so much just getting that one ribbon cable up. It took like 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.